Hello friends, today we'll see how to automate a PDF file using Python. So before going to the Python, you need to install something on your system. So change your path to your Python file path, type cd and change it. So go to your Python where it is installed. So my Python is here, Python 38132, and open the script file and copy the file path and paste here. So the file path is not changed. So we need to install pip install capital P small y PDF2. So we need to check the case. So only y is in small, lowercase, everything should be in capital. So already installed. So it is not there, you need to install it. Okay, so now move to Python. So I will open my IDLE. So once it is installed, you need to import PyPy PDF2. So if it is installed successfully, it will not throw an error. Okay, then we'll import the OS. So I want to change my path. So os.change directory will work here. So you can see change the current working directory to a specified path. So my Python file is located in the desktop. So I will change it to desktop. I'll copy the path. So I will paste here. Just paste it. So we need this is having so many Blix plus, and so we need to pass R. So it will consider this is a raw string, and I will remove the file name. So my current working path is changed to desktop. Okay, so now I will open my file. So PDF file, I will created a variable PDF file. Now I will open. So just pass the file name here because I already set the directory, so no need to pass the complete file path, just pass the file name. As PDFs are in binary mode, we need to open in binary mode, so type RB. So now PDF file has opened and stored in PDF file. So next we need to reader, we need to read this file. So I will open my PyPDF2 dot PDF file reader. So we need PDF file reader. Just press Ctrl space, the IntelliSense will open. So my PyPDF2 will read this file. So I want to read this file PDF file. So now it's completely read this PDF and stored in PDF variable. Now reader is set. So next I want to find the number of pages. Reader dot num pages. So it will give me the number of pages in my PDF. So my Python PDF document, my document having 3 pages. You can see it's having 3 pages. Okay. Next we want the text in what is the inside the text. So I will create one more variable called page, and I will reader dot get page. Just 2 control space because there is lot of case are there involved, the lowercase and higher case are involved. Just 2 control space, then get pages. So pass the page number. So I want the first page, so it will start from 0. So it will read this file and store in first page and store in the page variable. Now I want the text page dot, there is option called extract text. So it extract the text. You can see it's extracted the text. Python is interpreted high level. So you can see it's extracted correctly. The last line is C Python development. The new lines, it is C Python development. You can see this slash another new line. So I just given enter. So it's came as new line. Okay. So in this way you can read a PDF file. So if you want to read the complete PDF file, so you can write a for loop for this. For page, I will create one variable page name in range. So do the control space, it will help. Okay, in range of, we will get the page number reader dot num page. Okay, so it will loop till the number of files are available. So it will first count the number of pages and it will loop that many times. Okay, next will print. What will print? The extracted text. So first we need to get the reader dot get page. Here we'll pass the page number. So a page number is in variable page num dot extracted text. Extract text. Okay, so it will extract the whole PDF file, okay, one by one. So let's see, it's extracted correctly. You need to check the if it is throwing an error, then you need to check the correct. So I will write one more time. We'll see what the expected error came. So this is the first page. This is the second page. So it's extracted completely. Okay, understood? So in this way you can extract the complete text. We'll write one more time. For num of page in range. So when it is correct, it will change the color. Range. So what is the where it is? Read dot num page. Just do control space num page. So number of pages here. So you can face this type of errors also. Print. So first is we need to read the reader dot get page. If you don't type small, if you type small, then it will give an error. So see, here it is saying PDF file header object no attribute called get page, because here page should be capital. Okay, you need to take care of the case when you are doing Python. Okay, so in this way you can write. Okay guys, thank you.